صل على جميع الأنبياء والمرسلين والشهداء والصديقين وجميع عباد الله الصالحين. الله أكبر. اللهم اغفر للمؤمنين والمؤمنات والمسلمين والمسلمات الأحياء منهم والأموات، تابع بيننا وبينهم بالخيرات، إنك مجيب الدعوات، إنك على كل شيء قدير. الله أكبر. اللهم إن هذه أمتك وابنة عبدك وابنة أمتك، نزلت بك وأنت خير منزول به. اللهم إنا لا نعلم منها إلا خيرا، وأنت أعلم بها منا. اللهم إن كانت محسنة فزد في إحسانها، وإن كانت مسيئة فتجاوز عنها واغفر لها. اللهم اجعلها عندك في أعلى عليين، واخلف على أهلها في الغابرين، وارحمها برحمتك يا أرحم الراحمين. الله أكبر. فاتحة.
Now we come to the burial of the dead body. It is obligatory to bury a dead body in the earth in such a way that its odor should not disseminate, and also it should not be dug out by beasts. If there is a danger of the body being dug out by beasts, then the grave should be made solid with bricks. The dead body is placed in the grave on its right side so that it may face the Qibla completely. It is also recommended that before burying the dead body, the coffin should be grounded some distance away from the grave and then taken to the grave after 3 such halts. All the 3 times the coffin should be placed on the ground, and then on the 4th time the body would be lowered into the grave. If the dead body is that of a man, then on the 3rd time the coffin should be close to the grave and the body be lowered in the ground head first. When the dead body has been lowered into the grave on its right side, turn the body such that it is completely facing the Qibla. Then the ties of its shroud should be unfastened. Its cheek should be placed on the earth, and an earthen pillow be made and patted and placed under the head. The dead body should not be put flat in the grave, and arrangements be made that it may not lie flat on its back. Before closing the grave, reciting of the talqeen is highly recommended. For reciting the talqeen of a woman, only a mahram should step inside the grave. It is also recommended the dead body should not be cradled when laid in the grave. The person reciting the talqeen over the dead body should catch hold by its right hand the right shoulder of the body, and by his left hand the left shoulder of the body tightly, and keeping his mouth close to the body, shaking its shoulder, say 3 times, Isma Ifham Ya, calling the name of the dead person and the father.
هل أنت على العهد الذي فارقتنا عليه